Ended up putting together a little man-made fire pit, some stones around. We're surrounded by rocks out here where we got the RV sitting, so there's no issues with anything catching fire tonight. Plus I always keep a bucket of water nearby just in case. And I'm going to use the grill grates that I use for my pop-up fire pit right over the stones, and it's going to turn out real nice. I put some turkey burgers on there and some grilled sweet potatoes, so really looking forward to that. Where we're at right now, there's all kinds of foliage and cactuses and all kinds of cool trees and things out that way. The area that we're in is all dry camping spots. There's dozens of them all through this area. I mean, we arrived last night in the middle of the night, so we weren't really able to see where we should go when we came out off the main road. So we just drove it all the way down as far as we could come and came off to this area, which turned out really beautiful because, you know, you got a great view of Dome Rock Mountain, and then mountain ranges over this way. Freeway is far enough away so that you're not bothered by the noise or anything like that. Getting the fire nice and going now. We got quartzite right in the distance there, not too far from where we're at, so if we needed any supplies or anything, we could just head over there, get water, some food, everything like that. But we pretty much got the camper all full of water. We got two 45-gallon water tanks on there, so those are full. We always fill up before we come to a new boondocking site. Dump the tanks, fill the fresh water, all that stuff. We swung by Costco, bought a bunch of stuff in bulk, so we have enough food to last us at least 2 weeks. So we're going to be out here at this site probably till Monday, and then we're going to head out and head over to Lake Havasu. So it'll be beautiful over there. I'm looking forward to seeing the lake. I haven't actually seen it yet, so that'll be nice. Right now got 2 different level grates going on right now, so I can toast the bread and get the burgers and sweet potatoes cooking up real nice without burning either, because they're too close or too far from the heat. The bread's looking good. We use these gluten-free everything bagels. They're delicious. The only downside of them is that hole in the middle, but bagel flavor is perfect for burgers. Yeah, right now I got the turkey burgers finishing up. I already got my bread nice and toasted. The sweet potatoes are all finished up, got color on both sides. Burgers, they look really good. They're staying nice and juicy, and you don't want to overdo that because the poultry burgers, chicken or turkey, whatnot, have a tendency to dry out real fast if you overcook them. So you gotta want to pay attention to your temperatures on those and make sure that it doesn't go above the 170, 180 range. You know, for ground meat is about 180, 185. So and then with the sweet potatoes, it was the same as like in my other video. I microwave them, put a little color on them, season them, put a little color on them. You want to toast them so they get that nice crunchiness on the outside but soft on the inside like a French fry. And yeah, so we'll go ahead and get all this off the grill and go inside and enjoy.